We are often drawn to the spectacle of intensity, the roaring fire that promises immediate dramatic change. It's a powerful, all-consuming force that captures our attention and fuels our initial motivation. We believe that to make a real difference, we must start with a monumental burst of effort. But intensity is fleeting. The fire burns out, leaving behind only ash. True, lasting change is quieter. It's found in the steady, unwavering glow of a single candle, a gentle consistency that endures long after the initial blaze has faded. This is the force that truly shapes our lives. Consider the world of fitness. Many people begin with an explosive start, pushing their bodies to the limit for hours, only to burn out and stop completely within a week. The initial passion is unsustainable. But the person who commits to a gentle 20-minute walk each day builds a foundation of health that lasts a lifetime. Their steady, gentle effort reaches much farther than any short-lived sprint. The same principle applies to learning. Cramming for an exam overnight might secure a passing grade, but the knowledge evaporates quickly. The quiet discipline of reading just 10 pages a day builds a vast library of wisdom your mind overviews. Each small session is a building block for deep, permanent understanding. In our relationships, grand, infrequent gestures are often overshadowed by the power of small, daily acts of kindness. A single, expensive gift cannot replace the cumulative warmth of a daily "How was your day?", a shared laugh, or a quiet moment of support. It is the gentle repetition of care that builds unbreakable bonds. Financially, the dream of a sudden windfall is seductive, but the path to security is paved with consistent habits. Saving a small, manageable amount from each paycheck may seem insignificant at first. Yet, through the quiet magic of compounding, these modest contributions grow into substantial wealth. Gentle repetition wins every time. Each small, consistent action is like a single drop of water. Alone, it seems more. But together, these drops create ripples that expand across the entire surface of your life, transforming everything. So let go of the pressure to be intense. Instead, embrace the profound power of gentle consistency. Plant the seed of a small, positive habit today. Nurture it with steady, sustainable effort, and watch as it grows into something magnificent.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.